I got some new video. So today we are gonna play Pressure Wash Simulator. So I played this yesterday. It was kind of good with my friend Funny Guy God, and yeah. So let's just clean this fire truck real quick with our water, and it's kind of environment hurting game. I think that's what I feel like. Cause you clean this and then all the dirt comes out and then your tank goes down and runs out of water and then you I guess not. Okay, so let's just finish this really quick. Okay, nope, I couldn't finish it. This is my fourth reload. And I'm 56% way done to the next world. Nice. Oh, I lost my hand. Ah, I lost my hand. Okay, so let's and subscribe if you're not new to the channel. Please, I need 20 subs so I can record more videos. Oh, okay, let's just get that, do that, do that, do that. Okay, do that for 10. Almost at $1,000. Let's go. Get that down there. There. Done. Please, done. Done. And you get money for cleaning this. I think it's not that bad. Don't see any dirt. Now I do. Finish. Oh, I'm out. God, I need to finish the roof. Oh, I just noticed there's a water filler. And like, you see this here? This one right over here? If you look at the back, there's another one that looks exactly like that. I really want to do that. Oh, you can clean this trash can. I just realized. Bro, I don't want to emote. I I don't want to type anything, dude. There. Oh, just the handle. Oh my god. This is actually better than I thought. I thought that you only have to clean the cars. This game wants all our Robux. Don't spend Robux on this game. I mean, you can if you want to finish this game fast, but this game wants all your Robux. All of them. Oh, there. Maybe on the next episode I might record Dino. Okay, that's done. Boom, boom, boom. Done. And almost completed with this trash can. And I completed that trash can with apparently all my capacity done. Where is it? Okay. There. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's finish cleaning up this roof. It's quite bad, dirty. Boom. I'm gonna get all the money in the world.